In this video, I just want to briefly address the question that you've probably had at this point, which is it still possible to source from China right now? I want to make this video more broad and not necessarily say yes or no, because this situation could change any of the next days again. For now, I think the best way to find out if you can source from China is to go into Amazon Facebook groups. So just type in Amazon FBA, join a couple of groups, and you will find a lot of people asking the same questions. And in the comments, you will see either other people that have already ordered, or you will find a lot of sourcing agents. Be careful here and don't trust every sourcing agent, because everyone wants to do business. Even if they can't deliver, we have to be careful in who we trust. So you can probably pay more attention towards other sellers and people that have already ordered in the past weeks, I would say. Maybe don't focus on people that ordered 2 or 3 months ago. And also keep in mind that not only China might be affected, but also your home country and the connecting flights between those countries. Most of you will probably order your products via air freight, and a lot of the air freight is shipped via passenger planes and not cargo planes. So that means if passenger planes are being stopped from flying in between countries, that means a lot of packages cannot be delivered. For the current situation, and from what it looks like for the near future, China seems to have stabilized, and it is possible to receive products from China. However, you have to consider that there could be delays in production because of backlog that has happened because the factories had been closed for such a long time. And there could also be delays in shipping, as well as higher prices for the shipping. If you are planning to source from China right now, a good strategy to minimize your risk, especially if you're planning to buy a lot of products, is to split your order into multiple parts and maybe buy a smaller amount of units in the beginning and then purchase another lot right after. And this will help you spread the risk, because if the first lot has already been sent and you can confirm, okay, I'm actually receiving it and it's on the way, you ordered the second lot. So if any inventory gets stuck, at least it is not a super large volume and you're not tying up all your capital in that inventory. If you're working on a new product right now and you're just getting started, this is also a good time to just talk to factories, plan your product, go back and forth with them, get some samples, and then order your inventory once things go back to normal. However, since the factories are back at work, you will be able to communicate with them and do all your planning, and so that should be no problem at all.